Welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to have a continuation of perspective. So we're going to do the next class. You've done 1 point, you've done part of 2 point. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you understood it. And we're just going to push you a little bit harder. Thanks a lot. So welcome back. This is the second part of the lesson we did the other day. We'll just recap what we've done before. So the art skill was perspective. We covered what perspective was, how it worked. We did 1 point. We've got one vanishing point. We learnt about orthogonal lines and we understood what parallel lines were. And then we looked at 2 point bird's eye view. So we've got an aerial view. We're looking down on buildings or whatever object we're looking at. So moving forwards, we're still going to be doing a 2 point perspective. But we're doing worm's eye view. Worm's eye view, where are worms? They're down on the ground, so we're looking up at stuff. So, simple things. First thing you'll notice, we've still got our VP and our VP. And how many? There's 1, 2. So we've got orthogonal lines going 2 directions. So quick and simple, using our ruler. Going to fill in to the bottom of the vertical line, to the top. Straight away you start to notice that it could be a wall, could be a sort of sidewalk or whatever going around it. Good. And then what we're going to do, just to make this into something, vertical line parallel to that middle line there, one on the other side, maybe a bit wider. It's going to be our building. Find the centre of it. How do we find the centre of four-sided? We just do an X and it will give us the midpoint, because we've got foreshortening here as well, going off into the distance. So this is the middle. Although it doesn't look like it, it's just that this front edge would be closer to us. Okay, and we're just going to move up. We'll put a dot in here somewhere. And put the apex in. And we'll draw it back. There you go. And all we're going to do, just fill in, same parallel there. There's our roof. Nice and simple, really. We can do more with that. On the next page I'll show you what I've done something for you. 3 point perspective. So again, we're going to have an aerial view. We're going to be looking down on it, but we've got a VP there, got a VP there, but this time, this is a really important one here. We've got a VP. It's the third one. And it means that we don't have any parallel lines anymore. All lines will be orthogonal. So to start with, to the top of the line, top of the line, down to the bottom of this line. This is looking a lot like when we did the bird's eye view of a 2 point. If you've recognised that, it's really good. Observational skills, key in art. And then from our sides there, drawing down to our new vanishing point. You see now, this is, it could be a chip, it could be a tower block. And then we can add extra bits and pieces. And I'm not going to show you on here too much, but I'll draw in one more big building. And then We're almost to a point where I would like you to just go off and challenge yourself. No biggie, just have a go. There you go. So moving on from that, you can add your windows to your 2 point. And this would work in 3.2. So you've still used your orthogonal lines and then your vertical parallel lines. And then within your 3 point, adding more and more buildings, and you build up your cityscape. Very good for doing comic book style stuff. You can imagine Spider-Man going through there maybe. Big New York, big cityscapes. Have fun, give it a go. Enjoy. So that's perspective done. Have a go, challenge yourself. Be safe.